Guys, how you doing? Do you want to do a quick close-up video of our 27-inch Enforcer light bar utilizing our 5-watt LEDs? There's a ton of pictures of these on our website, but I wanted to do some close-up video so you guys can see exactly what you'll be getting when the product comes in. Very thin, very aerodynamic, 4 magnets on the bottom with adjustable bolts so you can move the mounting feet in and out to position it however you want on your vehicle. Curved end caps over here, solid aluminum body with 6 LED modules in the front and back, and 4 LED modules on each side. I'll turn it on, show you some of the many different flash patterns. Comes with a cigarette lighter plug with an on and off switch and a pattern change switch. So if you can see, the head-on lighting on this thing is amazing. Off-axis lighting on this thing from a 180-degree angle is amazing. One thing that sets this light apart from the other light bars available is that it has 6 LEDs per module. I know there are some light bars on the market with 4 LEDs per module. So this light bar has 30% more LEDs. In addition to that, we try to keep the price as competitive as possible without raising it to be too much. If you have questions, comments, feel free to contact us anytime. We'll be more than happy to hear from you guys and answer any of your questions or concerns. Thank you for visiting. Speak to you guys soon.